It's a great pleasure to welcome you all here on this occasion. It has been personally my dream to start this almost a year back, and finally we are seeing the fruition of this. It gives me absolute pleasure to see what it has come about, and I'm very happy. And I would like to thank Gail and Roger for doing an excellent job, and all others who have equipped this with state-of-the-art equipment and make this a thing to be proud of. As you know, robotics is just the beginning for your exploration and discovery into the world of science, technology, mathematics, engineering. That's what STEM is called. So I think the idea is to make you critical thinkers, something you're going to be not just passively looking at, but actively trying to find solutions. The sensor you see didn't work, so you'll find out how to make it work, how to make sure that it follows your instructions, and that is very important in today's world. Even in our national education policy, we want everybody to think critically and find an overall solution. There are no more silos for a narrow space. There's no more electrical engineer. It is electrical, civil, chemical, everything into one, finding a solution. So I'm happy that this is finally being complete, and this will open up your mind to a lot of possibilities in the future. A lot of new career opportunities also exist. A lot of new ideas are happening. You see, all India is at the cutting edge of digitization, and with that, life is changing, and everybody is looking at new ways to improve and change lives. So I wish you students all the very best in your discoveries, in your challenges, initiatives with this robotics lab. And we are also going to start an astronomy lab, which will happen by end of this year, to explore space, to explore all the possibilities which are beyond our imagination, and how to drive new ways of transportation, new ways of thinking into the future. I must thank at this stage Atul and his team also for putting this together. It has been a great journey, and I'm sure you and your team will be able to guide our students to a lot of initiatives and programming. I have to thank everybody else also, Sharmila, Oscar, Sindhu, everybody else, Vanashri, I don't know where she's sitting, but somewhere. There she is. Yeah, and everybody else for an excellent job. And I must thank you students for waiting for some time for this to open, and wish you all the very best in the future. Thank you.
Dream project. I think he was so keen on the STEAM lab, a robotics center as he calls it. So just to let you know, Oscar, this is only one room. After seeing it this morning, he's planned that we have to add 2 more rooms. Yeah. Because he says it has to become bigger in terms of there has to be for the elementary, junior school, senior school and the secondary school. So be prepared.
That's the place.
Here audio will cover it. Don't worry about tangible examples. Okay, just to address Principal Aurea, Oscar, Sindhu, everybody, all the teachers, support staff, and everybody connected to this school and to the project. I have to thank Oscar for his very kind words about the management, but nothing of this is possible without the support of all of you, because it's not possible to run an institution just with vision. We need somebody to execute that vision. And we, I could say, are very grateful, and truly there's so much gratitude for all the team that we have here. Learn and apply science, technology, engineering, mathematics and arts. All the concepts through hands-on robotic projects, fostering critical thinking, problem solving and practical application of theoretical knowledge while preparing them for the future careers in so many various new fields. As we open the doors, we see more than just an educational facility. We see lots and lots of endless possibilities of children of all ages. I think even the smallest little kids who can come and tinker with robots and come and tinker with technology, as they are all so much better technology than all of us adults.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.